Every day at RAK Wireless starts with a goal: to make IoT easier for our clients. For WisBlock, we put all our experience into a revolutionary product for IoT development. RAK knows manufacturing. Over 1 million devices have left our factories. But we also know you, how you work, how you expect things to be done. Quality is something we take seriously, with extensive testing and quality controls. This is what we give you with WisBlock: consistency and quality all the way from your prototype to when your product gets to market. We're there for you at all stages of your product. Scale up quickly without surprises. We know this product inside and out. RAK Wireless will guide you all the way. Our international team will work with you on traceability, develop your manufacturing tests, and device programming. With an extensive parts store and supply chain, RAK Wireless makes sure you don't face component shortages as you go into production. Our experienced shipment experts are there to deliver every order safely. Our customers already trust us to deliver from single parts to multi-ton shipments. WisBlock is more than a development kit. It's a new creation process, and only RAK Wireless could deliver it. Talk with us and find out the new way to do IoT.